God bless you guys for tuning in once again. Welcome back to Overworks. Such an exciting video because we're going to be talking about some major pain points that some of us are having. So a brief is following this emergency task video for Zenchain Testnet where we deployed the smart contract and then we did the ZTX transaction. The video has taken up really well and God bless you. Thank you all for the engagement so far, for the sharing and the likes and all. However, quite a number of us community members are having difficulty with getting roles on the Discord server or just flat out getting errors. So also the second category is if you are just discovering Overworks and this is the video you landed on. I sincerely apologize. We have taken the conversations quite far. This video right now is on how to get Discord roles, but there's been two videos before, and the first one is the Zenchain versus Bitcoin. This is like the starter of everything, where you're going to understand what Zenchain is and all of the requirements to begin this testnet. And the team has said that they will be launching the rewards first quarter of 2025. So we really do not have much time. You need to go through this video, understand what they are and how to get positioned in the project, and then of course come over to the emergency tags where we deploy the smart contract like I said. And when you're done with those two videos, now you can watch this video where you can understand how to get Discord roles. So two things we're going to be tackling in this video is the errors that some of us are getting. Now in the comment section of the video, you can see that some of us are currently experiencing the MetaMask injector issues where MetaMask is not showing, and one is also asking how to get a Discord role. I really sincerely appreciate you guys and I apologize for those of us experiencing difficulties. So this video is going to be tackling these concerns, and then of course we are going to be delving into the Discord server for Zenchain, and I'm going to tear everything down, literally pull down the curtain and show you guys how to get the roles on the Discord server. Now if this is exciting to you, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, because this is Overworks and we put out these targeted videos where the complexities around blockchain, testnet, airdrop are broken down into simple, digestible, understandable bits so you guys can take it all one step at a time. Now we're picking the Discord roles because it is assumed if you're watching this video by now, you have already gotten your wallet set up, you have joined the wait list. And need I stress here that if you do not join the wait list and you do all of the tasks, I'm afraid you risk losing all of your rewards. So ensure, and that's the reason why you need to go back. If you have not watched this video, it's going to show you every single thing step by step. And so when you come back to the Discord server and you have joined and verified on the Discord server, the channel within the Zenchain Discord server that you want to join, I joined the Discord server like when it was a little bit over 500 members. Now it has exceeded 30,000 community members. So the channel you're looking for is a ZenQuest channel, okay? And in the ZenQuest channel, you're going to see the breakdown of how to land roles, how to grow your XPs, how to level up, how to climb up the leaderboard so that you can get more allocations when the distribution starts 2025 first quarter, hopefully by the grace of God. Now here is a detailed article that breaks down the information on how to go your journey. There is another one here. I'm going to be leaving links to these articles within the Discord server in the description box of the video. You need to join the Discord server. You're going to find my referral link for the ZenQuest. I will share that link with you. This is the link you need to use, and then within this link you can now enter the different facets of the Zenchain community, and then of course ultimately you get your access into the Discord server. Okay, so for this message, the breakdown is as follows. Currently myself, I hold the OG role and we have some level of privileges, and this is the chat community we use for the early supporters. We also have some privileges around being a community mod, but it's not official. So what we are focused on now is how do you level up and earn more XPs and climb up the leaderboard. So the current quests that are available at the time initially was to edit your username, connect your Discord, connect Telegram, connect X, and then join Zenchain Discord. Now these were the first ones when the program launched. And then you want to earn more XPs through referrals. This was the only way to earn more XPs, and this. And then at the time you now have the role levels and rewards. So if you engage in the chat, and the two chat rooms to focus on when engaging is the general and of course the testnet feedbacks. As a matter of fact, you can leverage this. If you have access to the early supporters, even better. Okay, the base level of roles is the acolyte role, and then next is the guardian, next is the sage, next is the emperor, next is the Zen deity. This is like the highest of all levels. You need more XPs to climb here, and the way you get more XPs is to engage and to stay relevant. Do not spam, because if you spam, guys like us with the early supporters role, we are going to drop you from the community. We frown at it. It is a serious subject matter. Do not spam. Ensure that your engagement is well thought out, well put together. If you're supporting someone, ensure you're doing it the best possible way that you can. Now, these are the rewards. Once you achieve a role, you'll be able to claim rewards in the Zen quest. Okay, the category of those who got the early supporters role, like myself, they are awarded at the discretion of the team, and the category of people are the ones who join and engage in AMA sessions, which is Ask Me Anything sessions, submit thoughtful questions during AMA sessions, and create helpful content for the community, provide meaningful support to other members, be an outstanding Zenchain supporter. Again, the reward is you claim exclusive XP in the Zen quest when you earn this role. Now there is the other category of roles, which is the Twitter content contest. So if you know how to create content on X, this is where you have the chance to shine, and shine really bright. Because if you look at the Zen creator role and the Zen viral role, if we head over to Zen quest, you're going to see the XPs allotted. You can see that the Zen deity role is attached with the 888 XP. You can see that the Zen creator role has 1,000 XPs. Just these two alone, some of you are going to be topping the charts. And the beautiful thing is you can hold these two roles. There are no limits. Sorry, the Zen viral and this, just the Zen creator and the Zen viral, you're going to be 2,500 XPs up. That's a lot. So you need to take these things really seriously. And how do you get there? You create content, and there are rules to creating the content. Now, other ones that are coming soon are going to be on-chain tasks coming soon, which includes claiming faucet tokens like we do the everyday staking. I talked about that as well in the beginner video. And the other ways to do it is to stake, the node operation, the smart contract deployment, which we recently concluded in this video right here, and then of course the bug bounty programs. So a further breakdown of the role for this article that was released sometime this month, like 10 days ago, yeah, as of the time of recording of this video. So this is a guide that details down on a hierarchy level, Zen deity being the highest pinnacle of them all. So your journey starts actually at the acolyte level, and then you climb up to the guardian, and then to the sage, and then to emperor, and finally you're standing at the top of the peak of the mountain as a Zen deity. This means you have exceeded expectations in terms of providing valuable engagement, information, helping out the people. You are good, and you have been available to help people solve their problems in the general channel, most especially. This is where you're going to be earning more XPs. You need to take the general room seriously. It is not a joke. And then other roles are the server booster, Okay, when you show your support for the Zenchain by using the Discord Nitro boost to boost the server, a special thank you role just for you as a server booster, and then the Zen creator awarded to winners of our Zenchain content competitions. Creativity is a big one here, and then the next is the Zen Viral, which is for trailblazers whose content gains massive traction. So if you are an influencer on X, this is where you can shine because your followers can engage with your content. And then for us, the early adopters reward, early supporters, we did this, we help others in the community, we show consistent dedication. And then community mods, and what's next, role claim quest go live as of December 9th, which is why if you go back to the Zen quest, you're going to see lots of quests that are pegged to role. So as a server booster, you once you have that role, you can come and claim this 500. Zen creator, you can come claim 1000, and the list goes on. So once you're able to do that and you keep up the good work and you pay attention to the announcement channel, which is where most of the informations will be coming from, you are on the bright side of things. So not to take much of your time, you can see now there is an important information as of the time of recording. This is the most important information you should pay attention to. And yes, the informations in the Zenchain channel is the announcement channel is very, very, very important. So this says you can now earn XPs by chatting in language channels, but you need to have the human role. Now, the human role is a role that is awarded to you after you've gone through some biometric verification processes, facial biometric scan, and then when the system recognizes you, you are redirected back to the server, and then you can now append this role. And actually, I did mine sometime yesterday, but I will just go back to it. And so that's all about the role. I hope you guys now have clarity on the role and how to get the roles and level up, getting more XPs. So now let us talk about the problem with the MetaMask injection, or you're trying to connect with MetaMask, and MetaMask is initiating connection with a different wallet. What are the possible steps that you can take? First of all, this issue of injected provider MetaMask not showing sometimes could be of two things. Number one is the network strength. Number two, MetaMask probably is locked and you need to unlock it, or you need to manually click on the MetaMask extension button and it will just pull up MetaMask for you, and you do what you want to do. Other times it could be that your network signal is poor, or it could be that you need to close down the browser, which I do sometimes, and it fixes that for me. Now there's also the instance where when you try to fire up a task, for instance, you click on the connect button right here, and this is supposed to establish a connection to MetaMask, and then you are supposed to sign the message or authorize or confirm or do anything. But then rather than this click of the button initiating MetaMask wallet, it will probably go initiate a different EVM compatible wallet like Trust wallet, like Nightly wallet. So if you give me a brief of a moment, let me open up my collection of extensions and just show you guys what I mean in practical terms. So these are the collection of my wallets extensions. As you can see, we have MetaMask, Nightly, Rabi, Razor, Sui, Unisat, Trust, and Sweat wallet. So say for instance I'm trying to initiate a connection between my ZenQuest, and this is supposed to automatically fetch the MetaMask wallet and allow me to sign the message or do whatever I need to do within the MetaMask wallet to authorize what I want to authorize from the task. Rather than MetaMask being popped, it will probably pop up Nightly. So how do I fix this problem? What I do is I come into my extensions collection, okay, and then I turn up the nightly app. So when I turn off the nightly app, I just toggle it off right here. So if I click on this button, it toggles it back on. You can see it just popped here. If I click on the button again, it toggles it back off. And then when I go back to the Zen Quest and I initiate the connection by clicking the connect button, and if for some reason, rather than fetching the MetaMask wallet, it still went back to fetch the nightly app, what I just do is I come back to the extensions like this and I just click on the remove button to just take it out completely. Because I still have my seed phrase, I still have access to my wallet, I can just remove this extension from the browser completely and then go back to ZenQuest and then click on the connect button to reinitiate the connection, and hopefully it should now fetch MetaMask, because sometimes the services can maybe want to interject. I really don't know what happens behind the scene, but that's how I fix that problem. Okay, so if for some reason it's fetching a different wallet like Rabi, again I toggle it off, check again. If it doesn't fetch MetaMask and it's fetching Rabi, I just remove it until I'm able to isolate and I get my MetaMask connection. Hopefully I just do this once, I don't get to go around, or sometimes when I toggle this off it fetches MetaMask, and that is how I fix that problem. Now for the last, so let's see, have we really talked about it? So we've talked about this, we've talked about roles, and then we have also talked about the issue of the connection from MetaMask, fetching a different wallet rather than MetaMask. Now one last thing I needed to point out is, and I'm stressing out, is please, every single session, at the end of your session interacting with a DEX, decentralized exchange, or a DApp, decentralized application, or any other form of application that would require you connect to your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet you're using, at the end of your session, always disconnect it. And the reason you want to do that is because most of these websites or DEXs or dApps, they are vulnerable to hack attacks, and in the event that the hackers gain entrance into that system and your information is still available on that system, they can go through that system and enter your wallet and just wipe your funds, or worst case scenario is assign a sweeper bot to your wallet. So every single time you are sending funds to your wallet, the sweeper bot will detect the incoming funds assets that you're transferring and will just direct it to a different wallet, if you get what I mean. I'm not sure if I just want MetaMask to load up so I can switch the network back to Ethereum, because currently it's on the Zenchain Testnet. If I switch it back to Ethereum, or probably Base, let's see if Base will be added. If it doesn't add, I hope you guys get the message. So here we are, Base has been added, so let's just switch to Base. We'll switch to Base now, got it. And currently, so at the time of this instance, when I sent these funds, I sent around $7, but as you can see, only $13 arrived. So what happened? Let me show you guys what happened. So if I click on Etherscan, I did not know that my entire wallet has been compromised and it has been assigned a sweeper bot. I don't know. So if I put the address I copied here, this is it. If I put it here and I search, we're waiting for the network to load up. So guys, while we're waiting for this to load up, I believe by now I have given you guys a lot of value. Please, it takes a lot of time and effort to record these videos and put them out to you so you guys can see in clear terms from start to finish what you need to do, because these subjects are so technical and they require someone who understands the process. And thankfully, thanks to God Almighty, here I am putting out these informations to you. So please show us your support, show us your love, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, and let me know in the comment sections what aspects of the video you appreciated the most. And we're still waiting for this to load up, but the essence of what I'm trying to explain is you need to be careful with the types of websites that you access, the types of access that you allow to your wallet, because if you don't, then you don't really know what is happening on the other side of the connection that you're trying to grant, except you trust the provider, except you trust the source. I don't want to take much of our time because this is not loading up, but you get the point. The point now is you have to be careful. Okay, so just as a recap, we talked about how to get the roles and what you need to do, the channels you need to focus on, and where you need to see the information, which is seated in the ZenQuest channel on Discord server. We talked about the importance of going through the videos in the right order. You start here and then this video, and then of course gradient deeping, which is a project I'm currently farming. You would learn more about this. It's just contributing your unused internet bandwidth to the network as a node. The same thing goes for here, and you're rewarded with XPs that will be converted to your allocations, because you can see grass has launched and it has changed lots of life. So I want us to be positioned in this community to the best of our abilities, thanks to God Almighty. And then of course we talked about the importance of the tasks and how they are all important, how they are pegged to the roles up on Discord. And then of course we also looked at some of the issues around MetaMask connection to MetaMask and how to resolve them. All of these are the informations we have dissected in this video. But if you feel like you still need help, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section of this video, and I will be sure to provide you the necessary assistance where possible. In the meantime, guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Subscribing is important. It helps us to get the exposure that we need. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Metaverse HQ NFT. The NFT is timely. I'm going to be showing you guys how to mint the NFTs. So that's going to be all. Please, the best way to be informed when this information gets out is that you subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, because I'm going to be doing everything and you are going to be seeing them live. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye. I love you.